Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you my perfume collection and I will show you the fragrances, the range of it and the lasting power of that. So that if you want to buy, you can also get the benefit from this video. Okay guys, so in general I really love perfume. So I have a very good collection of perfume. So I will be starting from low range to high range. Okay guys, so I will show you the perfumes for daily use, also for party wears, for outings. Every kind of perfume I will show you in this video today. Okay guys, let's get started with the video. So the first perfume I want to show you is this Miniso perfume. This you can use this for everyday use and it's very budget friendly also. And the fragrance is also very not very long lasting, like 2-3 hours. So you can again redo it. So the perfume name is Dancing on Seashore. And you can get this perfume in Miniso, and this is a very travel friendly bottle also, so you can carry this in your purse. So I really like the fragrance of this. The fragrance of this is very literally fruity or something like that. So you can try it if you like this perfume. You can see it's a travel friendly and budget friendly bottle. Okay guys, so next up I am going to show you. So next up I want to show you all the mist which I have, and Victoria's Secret is every girl's dream. So every girls must be having Victoria's Secret perfume. So these are the mist which I want to show you. This I got in one package. So this 4 were in one package, and if you want you can get perfumes also of this. So the first stuff which I want to show you in this mist is this Victoria's Secret Bombshell. You can see it's a very good mist. The smell of this is really fruity, and this mist are not very long lasting. You can use this mist for 5 hours and then you can redo this again. But the smell of this all mist is very good. You can just use this and the Bombshell is the best range in this Victoria's Secret mist. You can see. So the perfume, the smell of this are really very good, and the Bombshell is literally very good mist. If you want to buy from all this 4, so I will recommend you to buy this Bombshell. This is a very good mist. And mist you can apply it on your body also, and perfumes you will apply on your clothes. So I really like all the mist which and these bottles are very these are plastic bottles, and these are very travel friendly bottles also, and the smell is also very good. So I will highly recommend you to buy this if you want to buy it. But the fragrance are not very long lasting, so but the fragrance are really very good if you want to try this. The next up is this mist, You're So Sexy. This is a very good mist. This is also Victoria's Secret mist. The fragrance of this, it's a little floral fragrance, and I like this, but it's not very long lasting fragrance. So I will not recommend you to buy this, but this is also very good if you want to give it a try. This I got in a package of this 4 Victoria's Secret mist. Next up I want to show you is this. You can see. This is also a mist of Victoria's Secret. This is a 75 ml bottle and it's a body mist. The fragrance of this is a very fruity and floral fragrance. So I really like this mist. You can see. Okay guys, so next up I want to show you is this Victoria's Secret Sandalias. You can see this. So this is also a body mist. And the fragrance, the smell of this is really very sweet. So if you want to try this, you can give it a try. So from all these 4 guys, from all this 4 mist, I will really recommend you to buy this. And these are not very long lasting. So and they are really very travel friendly. So you can, if you want to buy, you can go and try this. And you will not get this over here. You have to buy it online. Okay guys, so next up I want to show you one more mist from Victoria's Secret. This is a pure seduction fragrance mist. This is also very good mist from Victoria's Secret, and the smell of this mist is a very sweet smell. But the Victoria's Secret mist are really not very long lasting. They will last you for almost 2 to 3 hours, not more than that. But the smell of this are really very good. And I will really recommend you to buy this. This is really very good, Pure Seduction. The price range of this is approx I think 1600 to 1800. You can just check it online, and you will not get a Victoria's Secret over here. You have to buy it online only. So the smell of this is really very sweet. If you like sweet smell, you can just try this. So next up, I am going to show you high-end perfumes. Earlier I have shown you the daily wear and you can use it for everyday use also. So these are the high-end perfume. This I am showing you is Beautiful from Estee Lauder. You can see. This perfume is for 8,200 and this is a 75 ml bottle. So the fragrance of this is, it has a fragrance of flowers, like it is described as 1,000 flower smell. It has rose smell, it has orange smell, it has like a different flower smell is there, and it's a very good perfume. If you like floral fragrance, then this is a very good perfume. You can give it a try. So the price range and the lasting power is also very good in this. So next up, I want to show you this Giorgio Armani perfume. It has this bottle is also very good. You can see it has a fragrance of rose in it. So this has a very it has a floral smell, like rose like smell, and the price range of this is 6,000 and this is a 50 ml bottle. So you can use this perfume for everyday use and it has a very light fragrance. So if you want to use a light fragrance perfume for every day, you can go for this perfume. It's a very good perfume. And the price range is also 6,000 for 50 ml bottle. And it looks very classy also. So you can give it a try if you want. I want to show you this Bulgari perfume. It's a very good perfume and the packaging is also very good. This is a very travel friendly bottle. You can see it's a very small bottle and looks very luxurious also. You can use this fragrance every day and it's a very nice and very elegant fragrance. It has a very floral kind smell and it smells like a touch of petals and it's a very good smell. I just love the smell and the lasting power of this is 6 to 8 hours. And the price range of this is for 65 ml is for 4650. The price range is also very good and it's a very travel friendly bottle and the smell of this is very floral. And I just really love this bottle and I can just travel with this bottle anywhere. And the packaging also looks very good and the smell of this is really very elegant. And you can use this for everyday use also, and it is not very overpowering smell. You will just like it. If you want to try something like floral and very sweet, very mild smell, then you can go for this. So overall, I will recommend you, if you want a very elegant and a very mild smell and very refreshing smell, then you can go for this bottle. It's a very nice perfume. You can just give it a try. This is for 4650. And I really like it and it's very travel friendly also. For all my girls, you can just put it in your bag and you're ready to go out. So you can just give it a try if you want, guys. So next up I want to show you this 1 million from Paco Rabanne. This is a 100 ml bottle and the price range of this is 4,400. I personally just love this perfume. It is a very long lasting perfume and you can use this for everyday use also, and it's not very overpowering smell. I have emptied this is my second bottle. I have emptied one bottle and I really like this bottle. You can use this for everyday use also and for parties also. It's a very long lasting perfume. You can give it a try if you want. This is a perfume for success if you want. It's really good perfume. Just give it a try. And the packaging, you can see, I just love the packaging. You can see it looks like a gold bar. So I really like the perfume. You can just give it a try if you want. And the price range I told you, it's for 4,400. You can buy this on Nykaa or on any other sites. You will get this perfume, or online also you can get this perfume. Just give it a try. Okay guys, so this is the perfume which every girl should buy. You can see the packaging. I just love this and every girl should buy this perfume. I really recommend you to buy this. This is Carolina Herrera, Good Girl, and you can see the packaging. This is the heels, you can see. I really love this packaging. You can just keep it as a classy collection in your perfumes and you would just like it. This is a weapon for women. You can try this and the smell of this is not very sweet but really very sexy, and you can, whenever you will pass by, everyone will ask you which perfume you are trying, and the smell of this is very long lasting. The next day also you will get the smell of this. It's very much long lasting. If you want to give if from all the collection, if you want to give a real try, you can give a real try on this perfume. So price range of this is 7,400. This is really head over heels perfume. You can just give it a try. I really love this perfume and it will really uplift your wardrobe look or your dressing table look. Wherever you keep this will really look classy. This perfume is a magic in a box. and the perfume, the smell is also very sexy and you will just love it, and every girl should possess this perfume. It's really very good. Just give it a try and let me know in the comment section below if you like this perfume. You can see the long lasting power is also very good and the smell is also very good. So if you want, you can just give it a try. Okay guys, so many people think that men's perfume women cannot use it. I use men's perfume also. I really like Davidoff also. That's one of my favorite perfume, the Davidoff Water Cool or something. I just love that perfume, and in my everyday also use, I'm using that perfume. And this is also one of my perfume. This is, you can see, the Guess perfume. This is also men's perfume. You can just give it a try if you want. The price range of this is 3,900. That's a 90 ml bottle, and the smell of this is, it's a very woody smell. For the men's, if you want to gift your boyfriend or your friend, your husband, this is a very nice fragrance. All my girls, you can also give it a try. I really like this perfume. It's a very good perfume. It has a very woody smell, and the lasting power is also very good, and the price range is also not very expensive. It's for 3,900, so you can give it a try.
Go.
So next up guys, this is the last perfume. This is the Gucci Guilty perfume. You can see it's also a men perfume, and it has a very nice smell. This is a 90 ml bottle, and the price range of this is 7,150, and the fragrance of this is also very long lasting, and it has a very nice smell. It has a flirtatious, seductive smell. So that's a very good smell for all the men. If you want to give it a try, you can give this Gucci Guilty perfume. Okay guys, so this for all my collection, and I hope guys you like this collection. If you want any of this perfume, I will leave the link below so that you can just go and buy all this perfume. A big fan of perfumes. I really love perfumes, so that's why I thought I will show you all my collection, what all I have. So I have showed you all my collection. And if you want me to review anything else, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can do it for you. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, take care and stay healthy. Bye.